Good evening, everyone. It is Sunday and it is week 10, I believe, of Card Making for Beginners 101. Today, I'm going to be just sharing with you accessories that's used in addition to stamps and die cuts that can also enhance your card's appearance. So, if you do like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will not miss any future videos. To begin, I just have one of the most famous things around, which is gems. And of course, I usually get my gems from Michael's, especially when they're on sale. You can actually, well, not sale, but if you have coupons, then that definitely does help. So you're able to get some gems. And then I am going to be also talking about washi tape. Now, these washi tapes, they are not as the stickiness is not to the point where it is difficult to remove them. They're kind of replaceable, where you can mount and take it off, and you can buy them as individuals, in this case, which is what I did, because it was like, I don't know, a few cents for one at Michael's, and I just picked up a few just in case. This one is a Make-A-Wish one, but they're different things. Some of them come in packets, and they have different, colors where you can match, etc. But mine is just pretty much just singles that I purchased. So what I'm going to do just a quick demonstration on how you can actually tie in and make a card base using washi tape and gems. So without further ado, I'm just going to no rhyme or reason, just get a couple of those together. I think I'll use those two, and then maybe to offset it, I'll maybe use this. I mean, I don't have no specific. I think I might use this one. Yes, I'll use this one. So we'll use these three, and again, it's entirely up to your imagination. There's no right or wrong way. Is what ends up, you end up liking. So this is just basically a blank piece. It's not cardstock or anything, just a piece of paper. So I'm going to go ahead and use this so I can show you. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with you can do one of two things. You can either go ahead and baste it along the edge. It entirely depends on how you want to do it. You can rip it off because it's easy to tear, and you can curve it under. So right away, you're beginning to see that there is just a nice little pattern here. So it's beginning to transform your card base. Then I'm going to use I'll use the thinner one. And again, this is it's not like what you call it, masking tape that is a lot stickier. This one is better. So I'm going to kind of overlap this a little bit. Not too much, but I'm just going to overlap. And you can either do this way, where you can just kind of line them, or you can do them diagonal. However you feel like it is fine. So far you see we have two lines, and then I'm going to finally use this one. Now again, a lot of the washi tapes come in sets. They come in like small packages, big packages, and they usually have their matching sets, so you could always use it just as you want to. And I'm going to put this last one here. I'm going to overlap it again, and then I'm going to just tear it off. And I'm just demonstrating. This is no specific style or anything. I'm just showing you how you can use washi tape. So put those aside, take a look. So now you have 3 layers. You could choose to put your sentiment here. You can put, I don't know, a die cut here. It just depends on what you would like to do. Now, if you want to give it just a little extra something, of course, there is always glitter, which you can also use. But we don't need glitter, and of course, this is a finer pink glitter there. But let's look at, say, okay, this is flowers. You want to kind of just enhance it a little bit, just for the sake of something. We're going to say like example, you have this light green gem. You can maybe put a couple of those. I mean, I have so many different ones because they're all mixed up. But it's just to show you how you could kind of just enhance your cards You could even add red if you want to, because red and green and blue of course goes together pretty good. Just have one in the middle right here, you know. So I'm going to just kind of lightly tack this in here so that you could have an idea of what I'm referring to. Again, there is no specific way you want to do anything really. It's just because you can really. So this is this here. So basically what you end up doing is, say this is your card, just simply attach, put your sentiment, you know, design whatever you want on here, and that's it. So washi tape kind of gives you a little design prior to what you need, and then of course the rest of the card is entirely up to you. What you want to do, you could put you could stamp flowers on there, maybe I don't know, maybe a birthday sentiment, just anything you want to do on this side of the card. Just let your imagination work for you, and pretty much that's it. So if that doesn't work, you're not too fussy about it, there is always glitter, but glitter is a lot more messy, to be honest. So that's why this is still pretty full, because I haven't used much of it. So this is just a simple setup. You could use the same three and you can grade them. You could have this one this length, cut this one just a little shorter than this one, and then this one shorter than this one, so you have like a, you know, a graded appearance. Or you could have them diagonal across your matting. You could have them across diagonal. It just depends on what you're looking for. So this is just a quick tutorial. So thank you so much for watching, and of course stay tuned for my future videos. Enjoy the rest of your week and stay safe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.